Home point updated.
Good morning, good morning. Beautiful sunrise. I'm going to see if I can catch it for you guys. Morning again, welcome back to the channel. Jamaica Phantom Boy is here.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Look at that. Isn't that awesome? And I see a Pichiri is trying to attack the drone. But I just climb in altitude because birds can't fly straight up. Wow, isn't that beautiful, guys? Nearly lost my drone to sea, but this little drone is quite a fighter. It's a soldier. I'm happy I have it still, and I'm not taking any more risk like that again. So let's head out into the sunrise. I will not do anything stupid like that ever again. Have some wind also. Okay, let's take it back in. Let's give it a look. Let's have a look around. Nearly lost it out there, guys. Wonder if I can show you guys the location. I nearly lost it. Let's go. I'm gonna show you guys the location. I'm going to show you the place where I had to make the emergency landing. Then I wrap it up. So I had to went over on this property here. This big property that you see. Every single part of this place is fenced up. I had to went all the way to the end over this side to try and get back the drone. I had to speak with some people because you know you can't just go on private property like that. So I made the emergency landing right over in this side here. I went through these bushes as well, and let me tell you people, it don't look like this from up above. I land right at this point here. Right there I land. And I had to go and search for it in this area. But I landed right down there. Telling you it was a miss. But I'm glad I got it back. Thanks be to God. Great things he has done. I'm happy I got it back. Very happy I got it back. So I'm taking her home right now and gonna get ready to venture off to work. But I just wanted you guys to see where I had to make that emergency landing. Had to make a quick emergency landing or else I would not have this drone this morning. Anyhow I didn't make that quick emergency landing, I would never have a drone. Because it was going down, I had to keep pulling up on the stick for it to keep up. Because it was going down, I had to keep fighting and pulling up. So it was a stressful one, but everything worked out for the best. SD card full, insufficient is card space. So you can see that I'm going to have to get the SD card clear. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. Jamaica Phantom Boy. Out.